Today we talk about how can you change your email on your MoneyLion app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down, click on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on personal information. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go down here until you found here email, click on edit. So then here add your password. Until you add your password, click here on verify password. Then it's going to take you automatically to change your email here on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.